Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 188. This was a Monday, the 6th of March, 2023. So I did exercise, I worked on books, I had a doctor's appointment, I had a termite inspection, and then I worked on insurance and did few other tasks as well. So just a lot of stuff going on. So I'm grateful for all the people that have helped me, in my childhood, educators and people who mentors and things like that, people who have assisted me to help get me to where I'm supposed to be or where I am right now. So that's basically it. I made a video earlier in the day on Livegood unboxing. I hope you get a chance to watch that. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.